Hey there guys, it's JGL1 once again. So I just got a mission from Aiello. Yeah, she said a beast invaded somebody's home, and then she said, go kill the Hag Raven. And I'm like, hold on, you said beast, not bird, woman, wizard, witch, thingy that pwns me. So, we're off to go do that. I know my last video was, sort of spotty, but, almost the same as the last video, just gotta go eradicate something. And Hjal March this time, actually. Are these guys about to fight? No, never mind, we don't have time. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go... Where are we gonna go? Hjal March is in Morthal? I mean, Morthal's in Hjal March. Oh, which one is it? You got something.
Doctor, lab, and pharmacy, often all under one roof, with online access to lab results and prescription refills. Even email your doctor's office. All this with a $0 monthly premium, no annual deductible, and low doctor copays. It's time for Kaiser Permanente.
Call a licensed sales specialist now at 1-877-547-0573 to enroll or get your Kaiser Permanente guide to Medicare Star Quality Rating and Plan Information Kit.
An all-American car show that benefits the USO tomorrow on Good Morning San Diego.
Have you or a loved one suffered injury or death as a result of an auto accident that was not your fault? The first call you should make is to the law firm of Steiner, Isco, and Green. Why? Because the insurance companies are out to protect their interests, not yours.
How do I get the most money for my injury?
Do I need an attorney to handle my case? You need Steiner, Isco, and Green. With more than $500 million in coverage for their clients, they will fight for the money you deserve. Remember, time is not on your side. Call now.
Hi, my man right here. All right, you ready? Ready. 20 seconds on the clock, please. Here we go. Name a punishment parents might give their child
That's
for saying
sort of
a
funny.
bad word.
First he's in a panic about,
At what age should
get
a
that
man
beast out of my house.
G-string?
And I click on him, and then I exit, and he says,
January. Name something a person might reek of.
Weird.
Body odor. Name something people buy to make themselves feel
Oh.
important. Night suit.
I didn't know Hag Ravens knew how to go through doors.
Alright, here we go. I said name a punishment
Bye-bye.
parents might give their child for saying a bad word. You said out with someone.
Wow, that was easier than I thought it was going to be.
Then I said, at what age should a male stripper hang up his G-string? You said.
Yeah, I'll take these. Yeah.
Then I said, give me a month of the year with the letter Y in it.
Oh yeah, this is the Master Necromancer I was telling you about. I killed her near Veruca's Leap. I think. No, not Veruca's Leap. I can't remember where I killed her. And then she like just almost pwned me. I had like barely any health left, and then I just like I pulled out my bow and started just letting all these arrows go at her. in the final arrow, and I had like not even a centimeter of health left, and she died, and I was like, yes, she is my new thrall. Plus, all thralls, well, you have to have Master Conjuration to get the Dead Thrall spell. But when you get it, you kill a person that has lots of health and really good damage, and that person will have unlimited carry weight. So you can just keep on sticking things in them, and they'll keep them until like they die, and then if you don't want to resurrect them, you just pickpocket them and take it back.
You've been a good friend to me. That means something.
Wait, didn't I kill you? Yeah, I killed you for a soul, for a black soul gem. Yeah, I remember. I used to be a vampire, and I killed him. And what are you doing back here with the? Sir, you are under arrest. Oh my God. He's like, dude. Wait, shouldn't she be saying that? You know what? I don't have time for this. Deal with your own problems. I'm gone. That was a short one. I thought there was going to be maybe 2 of them, but I guess it was just 1.
I said name something the person might reek of. You said smoke. Survey said alcohol tied for the top answer. We're 19 points away from 20,000. I said name something people buy to make themselves feel important. You said a bigger car. Survey said.
On a different note, did you know they stopped taking PlayStation 2 games at GameStop? At least in the United States. Like, that kind of pissed me off. You know, because I have like 300 something games and I barely play like 12 of them for the PlayStation 2, and like, I'm kind of left by the foot. And on a different note, why did Xbox jump like that? At first it was just normal Xbox, right? Then it was Xbox 360, and now it's Xbox One. Make up your mind. Like PlayStation. We went PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, and guess what now? PlayStation 4. We are regular people. Come on now. By the time the PlayStation 900 comes out, they'll be on the Xbox 720. It's weird. But, on a sort of, related note, the console wars are still kind of going on about which console is better, Xbox or PlayStation. I personally take the side of PlayStation, because PlayStation has, I'm not saying bad, but I'm saying this is really good. Like, PlayStation games are cheaper, PlayStation games have better graphics. I can't say that PlayStation has better online, because that would be lying. But, Xbox is always more expensive. I mean, you have to pay for online on Xbox, but I can't say that because on PlayStation 4, you have to pay for online too. But they're taking that off soon because everyone's complaining. But when everyone complained about the Xbox having, you have to pay for the Xbox, people at Microsoft didn't care. But PlayStation cares for you. That's another thing. And let's see what's better about the PlayStation 3. There's a lot less squeakers on PlayStation 3. A lot less. There's let's see. PlayStation 3. There have been more PlayStations, so we have more experience. The controller is smaller. I like that. It's easier to take grip of. And usually Xbox games, when it's basically the same game, you would pay maybe $60 for it on the PlayStation. Then you would pay like $90 for it on the Xbox. Which puzzles me. But back on the subject of no longer taking PlayStation 2 games. That was a big mistake, because they still had money to make on that. Because some people still want to buy PlayStation 2 games. Those who can't afford a PlayStation 3 or 4, they're still looking. But I digress. I guess that's the video. I'll see you guys later. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. See ya!